So you just got your brand new RAM memory, 2 gigabytes from your school, and you want to install it on your computer, on your laptop. So first of all, you need to remove the cable, the battery, and this hatch, which I already removed. It's only 5 screws, so it shouldn't be too hard. And then you're gonna see this RAM memory that's already installed and another pocket here. First of all, you need to attach it. Just press it on. So it's gonna stand like on its own. Then you're just gonna push it down and you hear a click and you're done. Then you're gonna screw this back on. And put the battery on, and you're done.